Excuse me?
So irritating.
Biggest pet peeve I have.
Them guys.
One thing that really grinds my gears.
Here we go.
You can't look up information online and get everything you need to know without going through 12 hours of bullshit to get there.
And I've been trying to get in touch with tech support, and they continuously hang up on me.
Tell me why no thought to put factory installed gauges on a split system. Can I put in a service call? Put in a service? God golly,
The amount of times you have to call just to get a little bit of information that should be in the manual or should be on their website that they just hide.
That's the problem.